Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry RVs. Took a little break doing these videos. I was actually out of town. Went on a little bit of a trip, and I'm back here. Sorry if my voice sounds a little bit raspy or hoarse or froggy or whatever. I did catch a little bit of a cold on the airplane ride back, but I figure it's just another way to promote RVs because you don't get those airplane colds when you're actually vacationing or traveling in an RV because you're not near all those people that are sick really close for an extended period of time. So I'm excited to show you this floor plan behind me. It's a Forest River Cherokee 264RL. Now they've had the 264RL for years. I actually stopped stocking it because it really wasn't selling well, but they've redesigned it and made it a lot of cool changes on it. I stocked one. This is the new 2020 and a half. I stocked one, sold it right away, and we've got this one in, so I'm doing a video on this because I'm excited to show you the changes. I was a little skeptical at first, but in reality, this is a tried and true floor plan, a floor plan that came out probably 10 years ago, but they've redesigned it a little bit, and I think this floor plan fits a lot of needs for a lot of customers. So it weighs under 6,500 pounds. This is the 2020 and a half. I've talked about this for 2 months now. This is what the 2021s are going to look like. How you can tell on the Cherokee product, it has the thick blue line compared to the skinny blue line on the 2020s. So again, it's still a 2020, but you get everything that the 2021s are going to have at the 2020 price. So if you are into saving money, which I would say most people are, and want the newest of new, take a look at these thick blue 2020 and a half Cherokee Gray Wolf products. All right, so starting at the front, a lot of the exterior is much the same on this trailer. Has the aerodynamic front end, diamond plate rock guard, 2 propane tanks. Again, we fully prep our units. Both pro tanks will be full. I saw a dealer the other day just filling one of the tanks up, so I wanted to call them names there, but I didn't. I held back. Brand new battery, and we do not charge for this, so that's a good advantage. Has a power tongue jack up there on the nose. Coming around the more business side of the camper, have your water heater here, outside shower right here. That's gonna have hot and cold water on it. Probably not a good place to take an outside shower. Just with cell phones nowadays, people might get photos that you don't want them to get, but a good spot to wash off your feet or the kiddos. Fresh water connection and city water connection right here in the same spot, and then your dump station is right down below here. This does have a super slide on it, so that's going to give you 3 more foot of interior space, which is hard to tell out here, but when we get inside, you're going to say, wow. Coming back to the rear of the trailer, has a big bay window. Cherokee comes standard with the travel rack, can hold up to 200 pounds. Also mounts the spare tire on there. You notice the triple step entry to get in the main door. Power awning, which I've got out right now. Also has LED lights on the power awning, which I failed to turn on. And then the second entry door goes right into the bedroom, which is nice. And great storage up front here. That's going to go almost to the other side, and it even connects underneath the bed there. So a lot of storage space outside, and some of it can be used inside as well. Dual axles here, both radial tires, both tire pressure monitoring on all 4 tires. And then this is something that's new. So it has the Deluxe mini camp kitchen, which none of the previous models had. Comes with your dorm refrigerator, ice maker, hot and cold water. It's 2 burner stovetop and a little wash basin, all neatly packed in that area. And it really doesn't take up any room inside. So let's check this out. Again, this is the all new 264RL Forest River Cherokee. Walking in the door, it's your typical rear lounge, 2 chairs here. They've upgraded the chairs though. They actually recline now and they're comfortable, which you think, if I got a chair, I want them to do both. So nice comfortable chairs. I've actually sat in these. They are comfortable and they both recline, as I've got this one here. It's more of a residential style furniture. It's actually made by Thomas Payne, which is a really good quality brand. Some big windows in the rear here, a little bit of storage up top there, as you can see. Coming around here in the slide room, we have our couch and dinette, both come down for extra sleeping. So you can sleep up to 6 people in this trailer. But this is one thing I wanted you to pay attention at, is all this floor space. And that's what that slide grants us. So basically, the big benefit is someone could be working at the kitchen here, or looking in the fridge or the pantry, and someone else can pass behind them just easy because there's enough space for 2 people side by side here. As we walk in the door, all new for the 2020 and a half is this new control command center, neatly done. Instead of a bunch of switches on this space, it's all nice and organized on this thing here, which also is a monitor panel up top here. Tells your levels of your different tanks, allows you to put your slides in and out, nodding in and out, and turn on some lights. And your water heater. The water heater's dual mode on this, so it'll work off propane or electricity. All right, kitchen area. So it has the nice kitchen countertops, which are all one piece, which I like. It doesn't have the press board. It has the sink cover, which expands your countertop space. The sink is new for this year. It's what they call black stainless, which is really stylish. And also the faucet is that black stainless as well. Coming through here, we have our stove here. It's the new stove with the glass door in it, stove top cover, a new backsplash for the 2020 and a halves, a microwave and range hood up top here as well. This is new for the 2020 and a halves. It's a 10.3 cubic foot refrigerator. The competition's using a 7-foot refrigerator. This is a 12 volt only refrigerator. Very nice, very ingenious how that works. I've explained that in the past videos on these gray wolves as they came out. This is also new for this floor plan. They did not have this in the past, is this pantry. Multiple shelves of storage here. A lot of room there for your box goods, canned good food there. Also, this entertainment system used to be way back here in the back. It's now up front here in the front, where almost everyone from whatever seating position can see it. Comes pre-mounted for your television and pre-wired for the television hookups. Coming down here, we have your radio, which is going to be AM, FM, Bluetooth, aux port, USB port. That thing can do it all. A little bit of spot here if you want to put a DVD player or anything like that. And then you have your 30-inch Furrion space heater and fireplace. All right, I think that concludes this part of the trailer. Coming up to the trailer, it's more of what we call a side aisle in this industry. You walk around the bathroom. That means the bathroom is all in one, which I like, an all-in-one bathroom. So you have your stand-up shower, stool, a lot of floor space. You can easily get changed in here. Hot and cold water, medicine cabinet, and big fan up there. Big bathroom fan. Which there's a lot of benefits to those. A little spot to hang up your towels as well. All right, coming through this door is going to be your master bedroom. Typical master bedroom, queen bed, wardrobes on both sides, power outlets on both sides, LED lighting, of course, all throughout this trailer. Queen bed, like I said that. But also, you have your second entry door, which a lot of people like, right from the bedroom. So this is the new Forest River Cherokee. So let us know what you think, and we really appreciate you watching. Have a great rest of your day. The reason we do these videos is to encourage you to buy an RV off us if you're in the market, but also to inform you what's cool, what's interesting out there in the marketplace. So thanks for watching. Everyone have a great remainder of your day.